Hello guys, in this video we are going to tell you about a tragedy that was happened 3 days ago when a cable car crashed into woods and killed 14 people. Let's discuss this video in deep detail. But before going to detail, I wanna say if you didn't subscribe my channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Let's get started. A cable car that killed 14 after crashing into woods was tampered with, prosecutors claim. Prosecutors have alleged a cable car in Italy had been tampered with before it crashed, killing 14 people. The incident took place on the Stresa Motorone funicular near Lake Maggiore in Piedmont region of northern Italy on Sunday, May 23, when 15 people were traveling on the car between the resort town of Stresa and Mount Motorone. The ride lasted 20 minutes and was nearing its end when the cable car suddenly plummeted 20 meters into the woods below. Only one passenger, a 5-year-old boy, survived the crash and is now in intensive care unit ICU at Regina Margherita Hospital. The tragic incident is believed to occur when a lead cable broke and the emergency brakes failed to activate, in turn causing the cabin to hurtle backwards before falling. This week, prosecutors working on the case claimed the brakes had been tampered with Chief Public Prosecutor Olympia Bossi saying the changes had been made as a conscious gesture to avoid disruption to the cable car service. ANSA reported per The Guardian. 3 people have been detained in the wake of incident, including the owner, director and operational chef of the firm that manages the cable car services, Ferrovie Motorone. The cable car system is said to have shown anomalies since operations resumed in April as Italy eased coronavirus lockdown restriction. Bossi said the cable car had been traveling in that way for several days and had made several trips. Technical checks were conducted as operations started up again, including a check on May 3 to remedy inefficiencies, but investigators claim they had not been decisive in resolving issues. To keep the service running on time, operators kept in place a device that deactivates the emergency brakes. If the brakes had been working as intended, the cabin would have remained steady when the cable snapped. It is thought the device was kept in place in the belief that a cable breakage could never happen. A series of checks had been carried out on the cable car over the past 7 months. According to the group that conducted major renovations work on the system a few years ago, Legnier di Vipetino, the checks included yearly magnetic inspection on the primary cable of the lift in November 2020, as well as checks on safety components and braking systems between late March and early May. And the family of the surviving 5-year-old, including his parents, who are Israeli nationals residents in Italy, his younger sibling and his great-grandparents were all killed in the incident. Other victims including a 6-year-old Italian boy and one man who was born in Iran and lived in Rome. Thanks for watching the video.